Hey guys, welcome back. So today's video, I want to share a few hairstyles that I've been wearing with my kinky twist. Let's start off with the first one, which is a side part. You can do a very deep side part, or you can do one where it's not as deep. I like to have my side part start about the arch in my eyebrow, so about that far in. So very simple. The next one is, of course, the middle part. I've been wearing my hair mostly on the side, so the middle part probably won't be as nice. So the next one is a flat twist just at the front of your head. So I'm just gonna section off a small portion at the front of my head. It's about this much of hair, as you guys can see. And I'm just gonna go ahead and flat twist this section. And I'm just twisting till I get to the very end. And if you want to, you can definitely secure this twist with a rubber band, but I'm just gonna leave it because it doesn't unravel. I'm just going to coil the end around my finger, just like so. And there we go. This is style number 3. I don't know what to call it. It's just like a side twist. And this one is very cute. I love this one. This is probably my favorite one. So we're gonna undo that. We're gonna go back to the middle part. We're gonna do a half up, half down look. So you're just grabbing the front portion of your hair and you're going to just want to make sure everything is flat and even. Of course, you're gonna be doing this in the mirror, so everything is flat and secured. And then you're just gonna go ahead and secure that with a scrunchie. And there we go. That is number 3. Very simple. And to spice up that same look, you can go ahead and create 2 flat twists. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Just sectioning off the front again. I'm just going to create a flat twist here. So you're literally creating a 2-strand twist, but as you go down the length of your hair, you are picking up hair. So I'm just gonna twist it all the way down, just so that way it doesn't unravel while I do the other side. And then again, part some of the front out and create your flat twist. So I'm creating a twist, but as I move down, I'm picking up hair. And then I'm just gonna twist about halfway, and I'm going to unravel this one as well, about halfway. Taking both sides and taking it to the back of my head, securing it with a scrunchie or even a claw clip. You can take it and flip it under to kind of hide that scrunchie if you want to. Or you can go ahead and use a claw clip to dress it up a little bit. So there we go with our claw clip. And that is style number 5. I lost count. I think this is number 5. So taking out that claw clip, we are going to leave out 2 pieces at the front. So these 2 right here, leaving those out. And I'm going to take half of my hair, half of it. So actually you can stop here because this is also another one. So it's a high ponytail. Of course, want to make sure everything is nice and flat. All right, and this is another style. So just a high ponytail with 2 pieces out in the front for like bangs. Taking that down. Our hair is in a side part. We're going to gather all of our hair at the back of our head, leaving a little bit of this hair on your forehead. We're creating a little bit of a swoop bang. You don't need any gel or bobby pins for this. It's just a quick and easy style. So as you guys can see, I didn't tuck it behind my ear. It's literally just swooping across my forehead. Make sure everything is laying nice and flat. Take that front portion loosely, bring it around. This side, you wanna make sure this side is a little bit more firm, a little bit more tight, and then secure it with a ponytail. If you don't bring it all the way through, you can end up with a nice little bun like this, which is cute as well. It's like a little bit of a messy bun. So bringing all the hair through, you end up with a ponytail. All right, so the next one is a high bun. I'm just gonna be doing half. So half of my hair is going up into a nice high bun. And I'm going to be leaving out 2 pieces. So of course you can have the 2 pieces hanging out at the front. You can definitely put them both on one side, which also looks really cute. So those are a few styles that you guys can wear with your mini twists, braids, whatever. All you need is a scrunchie and a clip to create some of those styles. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.